Walk out my door to see this at the door. Yeah. It's unboxing time. Unboxing time. It's unboxing time. Wait a minute. First of all, okay. Whitney, you sure went out. I don't know. Lord, girl. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. I love this style, the braid strap. Yes. Okay. Wit. What else we? Oh. We love a headband. Bald or not. I'm so pressed I can't even do this cute for y'all. I'm like a kid during Christmas. Wait. I'm about to just bust this open with this scissors. I'm too pressed. Oh, there you go. Slow moment. Okay, headband. And y'all know the pink vibes. And now, you know what I'm saying? It says Whitney Victoria collection, honey. I mean 20%, I said 20 cents, 20% off. Okay? And a card. That's my friend. We got one more thing. Oh. Girl. Friend, you showed out. Friend, I'm about to start crying. Thank you, girl. So this is my unboxing with Whitney Victoria. Y'all check her out. I'm going to tag her business in this caption. Support Black. Do a try on haul for y'all so y'all can see this shit. Okay, look. Do you see this? Friend had me in mind. She had me in mind. Okay, I had to turn on the light for y'all. My toe's not done, but I'm gonna try to see this shit. Okay. Got these.